Hi friends, hope you all are doing well with good health and spirits. Today we'll make use of a powerful DC motor and a straw and we'll make a small centrifugal sprinkler. The centrifugal sprinkler is almost ready. We'll make use of a small glass tumbler and put it in action. In centrifugal sprinklers, we can achieve good result at lower RPM. A 6 volts DC motor rotates so fast that the effect finishes within few seconds. Centrifugal water sprinkler is a simple pumping device that uses rotating V-shaped tube to lift water or any fluid by using centrifugal force. Centrifugal sprinklers are used to raise a liquid from a low level to a high level. These pumps work on a very simple mechanism. A centrifugal sprinkler converts rotational energy, often from a motor, to energy in a moving fluid. Thanks for making time and watching this video. Hope you all enjoyed watching this bit. If you have not yet subscribed our channel, request you all to please subscribe and press the bell icon to get the auto updates. Thanks a lot.